What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Stay safe. Hey, so I just want to talk a little bit about House Call Pro. It's this app that I've been using for about a year and a half now, and I tell you what, it's a lifesaver. So if you're still using pencil and paper and doing all that, really save a lot of time, and you have a whole lot more resources with an app like House Call Pro. I haven't used any other ones, can't compare, but I don't see why I would use anything else really, because I can schedule, and then after you schedule, it automatically reminds your customer the night before. So if you want special notes, like ask them to vacuum or anything like that, and then on the way you can hit on the way, and it lets them know you're on the way. And I don't know how many times I've had compliments like that, talking about my on my way notification that gets text to them. And then when you finish up, you can send a review link, which is very, 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 very important, that we ask our customers for reviews. I know that Yelp frowns down on it, but Google Maps, Facebook, the review will go straight to Google Maps. But if they don't have a Gmail account, it'll go to Facebook or whatever. There's other avenues too. So that's really important. I built up my Google reviews from using House Call Pro. You send your receipts straight from. You can take payment. For one thing, you take payment on your phone. So when you finish up your job, go ahead and take card, cash, credit, whatever, and you just put in whatever method that they used, and then the receipt goes straight to their email. You don't have to use a pen and paper for anything. Lucky for me, because I got like second grade writing. My brain moves faster than my hand. That's what I like to say. But yeah, so all around it takes care of your jobs. As far as your scheduling, like you can look ahead. You can see who haven't paid you back by just going back. It'd be really cool well, actually, it'd be a good idea to go ahead and try it out. If you're not using nothing, there's a 14-day trial. Use the link that I put below here. I also did a post that you can use that link too. Get 14-day trial. But I pretty much guarantee once you tried it, you're not going to leave it. And if you got any questions, feel free to email me, message me, comment below, and I'll try to notify or clarify whatever it is that you're not sure about. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and call this one a wrap. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video.